As part of the Intelligent Cyber Infrastructure for Animal Ecology project, we are integrating a suite of cyber infrastructure components and tools into a unified web-accessible workbench. Together, these tools support activities across the computing continuum, from model discovery and training to edge deployment planning and evaluation. Researchers can search for pre-trained machine learning models that support their use case. A researcher types, "Tell me about the deployments of convolutional neural network models at Okavango Delta," into the chatbot because they are planning a camera trap field deployment near the Okavango Delta in Botswana. The chatbot returns information about two matching models, Megadetector and GoogleNet. Metadata, technical information, as well as performance metrics are returned. The ICICLE Model Commons project is developing a powerful metadata catalog and knowledge graph about available machine learning models. The knowledge graph incorporates metadata about how the model was developed, as well as performance data from deployments of the model in the field. Based on the average accuracy and power consumption, the researcher selects Megadetector. To fine-tune this model and improve performance detecting the kudu species, they will need a high-quality labeled dataset. ICICLE is indexing large collections of datasets to help researchers easily discover high-quality sources of data. The researcher is ready to develop a new model using TensorFlow. They can launch a Jupyter Notebook or web-based IDE like VS Code to do so in the ICICLE cloud, with access to GPUs and other high-end hardware. After developing the model, the researcher is ready to extract model metadata and register the model assets and model card with ICICLE. Using the Python SDK, the user creates a model card object and provides some initial information about the model, including the name, description, and keywords. They also include the dataset used to train the model, as well as performance metrics from training. The toolkit automatically extracts the required Python libraries and their versions. The researcher prints the model card and uses the library to validate and save it before uploading it to ICICLE along with the model artifacts. The researcher is ready to plan their field deployment. They want to understand how their newly trained model is going to perform on actual IoT hardware used in the field, including accuracy and throughput, but also CPU, memory, and power utilization. They use the ICICLE ML Edge experiment planner to configure an analysis with their model and a representative data set. They configure the experiment to use jets and nanos from the TAC site, since their lab's camera traps are equipped with nanos. While the experiment runs, the researcher can navigate to the CKN dashboard to see the results of their experiment and compare the model performance to prior runs. The dashboard displays aggregate information, such as overall accuracy and average power consumption, as well as detailed information about performance on individual images.